Good day, one more time, and welcome to Income Up Premium. This is a channel where we discuss how you can make money online, how you can make money through cryptocurrency airdrops, another legitimate means of making money online. But today, I want to do a quick and a short tutorial on how you can transfer your simple coins from the Telegram mining bot to the exchange. Simple coin is a popular coin that is being mined currently via the Telegram bot. So as you can see from this interface, I already mined and accumulated over 1 million coins. So how do I transfer it to the exchange? But let me show you first and foremost the exchange and my balance so that we can verify at the end of this tutorial. This is the app, Simple Coin Exchange app. As you can see, I have 408,000 plus simple coins. So, but before I dive into how you can transfer from the Telegram bot, if this is your first time of coming across the channel, please do well to subscribe to my channel and hit the notification button so that when I come up with videos like this, which I do every week, 2 to 3 videos every week, or more than that, you'll be notified. Also help me to share and also like the video so that more people can see it. So thank you for doing so. Now let's go back to the Telegram bot. As you can see from this interface, we're going to click on this first icon, and after the total I have here, you click on it. So after clicking on it, you can see it here. Say withdraw to simple. That is withdraw to simple exchange. Now I click on continue. That's the next thing to click. Now you can only withdraw 10% every 24 hours. You know, as we are waiting the listing of this coin, it's being withdrawn to the exchange, awaiting listing, which will be done according to them 2025, first quarter of 2025. But anything can happen, you know, in the world of crypto. They can also list it before then. But this is a simple way of doing that. You know, I will decide to withdraw the maximum. You can see that there's mass here. I will click on it. Click on mass. So what I'm going to be withdrawing now is 132,518. So I'm going to click on withdraw. So it's going to direct me. Yeah, say success. Got it. It's going to direct me now to the exchange. Now I'm being directed to the exchange. Let's be patient a little. But if it takes, okay, we're already at the exchange. So you will just click on collect 132,518. Please don't make mistake of clicking decline. If you click on decline, it will bounce back after some few minutes. So I'm going to collect right here on the exchange. So I'm going to click on that. As you can see now, my total now is now 526. Now we check the total before we initiate the withdrawal. So that is the simple way of withdrawing your coins. But one of the conditions that you still have to fulfill, you know, before now they were talking about 20 referrals, but they've reduced it to 3. And I also believe before the listing, they may reduce it to 1 or even without referral. You know, but the benefits that those who have referred numbers of those who are mining these coins, that you get additional benefits such as, you know, additional coins, you know, and privilege of getting some percentage of what your referrals are mining. So thank you very much. God bless you. Thank you.